Hey everybody, it's Calvin Nation here, and I just wanted to bring you another tutorial. This one is called the toss and catch opening and closing, and here's what it should look like. To do this move, you're going to be holding the whole knife on the tang end of the knife, which is the very bottom by your pivot pin or pivot screw area. In this position with a pinch grip between your thumb and your pointer finger. Your thumb and your pointer finger are going to be touching both handles on the top and the bottom, and essentially you're just tossing and catching it, hence the name, toss and catch. So a couple pointers for this move to help you get this grasp of this move a little better. Remember to stay nice and far down on the knife, and the key pointer I can give out for this move is the flicking motion with your thumb and your pointer finger. This flicking motion like that is key, because without it, I often found that without doing that, this whole blade would just fly up, and it would just stay in a closed position and I'd catch it, which is kind of cool, but not the point of the move. So remember to hold it like how I am here, in a pinch grip, and make that flicking motion. The flicking motion is going to look like this. You're just going to basically push down with your thumb, while the pointer finger just keeps the knife resting there and keeping it stopped. So yeah, you're just going to flick down with your thumb while rising up, and then right after the flick with the thumb, you're just going to let go. So in this position, rising up with the flick, and you're just going to let go right about there, and then that's just going to let the blade fly, and the handles will come apart, and it'll just land nicely in your hand, and you should get it in no time. And here's what the opening for this move should look like. Like I said, this move does have a corresponding closing. The closing is a little bit harder, and will start in a different starting position. Instead of holding it in the opening position like we did here, with your thumb and your pointer finger touching both handles on the top and the bottom, you're going to be instead doing a pinch grip like this, with your thumb on the safe handle and your pointer finger on the bite handle. You're going to be holding it like this, with the blade parallel with your wrist. And again, the key tip in this move is to make that flicking movement with your thumb, and essentially again you're just going to toss it and then catch it. So yeah, with the basic principles of the opening, the closing will come fairly easy, I should say. But it will just look different to start off. So here's what the closing should look like.